Hello there, Jim with Two Blind Guys in St. Louis, Missouri. Today I wanted to show you how to take down a designer roller or screen shade by Hunter Douglas. Very easy. Place the shade in the full up position, and up behind is going to be, in this case, the shade is small enough there's only two brackets, one right here and one over here. What you're going to do is use your finger and just push until that releases the back of the headrail on both sides, and then it's just going to come straight down. Now to put it back in, this curve right there is going to fit into these two little hooks on the front of the brackets. So I'm going to use my, you push the shade back in there until that hook's in, and it's just going to level it back and forth until it's centered on the window. Then you just push it back to click it in. And once those brackets have held on to the back of the headrail, you're in business. The screen is good to go. And that's how you take down and put back in a designer roller or screen shade by Hunter Douglas.